I have a Freckles tea haul over here. I bought this from Pinky Elephant. It looks like they gave some free samples. This is like a envelope made out of vellum. Very cute stamps. This paper tag made from, it's by Classicy. There's the Pinky Elephant info. I'll put it down in the description box below, but this is, I do have this design over here by Freckles Tea, but it looks like this is the matte version. Over here I have the clear version, the clear sample I bought. I don't know if you can even tell the difference, but the matte version is basically a bit cloudy or frosty, and this one is their flower illustration washi tape, which I have I ordered a full roll over here. Basically, I've been obsessed with this brand. I've been seeing it everywhere, and I'm obsessed with flowers, so I definitely had to get these things. This is from their Volume 2 collection. And it looks like there's, I think, I don't know how many designs, but it repeats, I think, 10 times. There's this. And this is the last one. But you can definitely use these, or actually there's one more, but you can definitely use these for journaling. And there is, this is, I think, from their volume, yeah, this is their Volume 1 collection. I think these are so pretty, and the paper is like a cream, soft cream color. And I think, yeah, it repeats. So I think there's like 5 designs, and then it repeats like 6 times. I'll get into the calendar next, and it's not a traditional calendar. There's no day list, there's no day on here. It's not dated, and there's no month. So technically you can use it any time of the year. And it looks like it's in Chinese. So there's flower illustrations. There's the month, but the year is not listed. And it goes all the way, obviously, to December. Okay, and then it starts over here in this type of paper. And yeah, there's no day, there's no year, there's no month. And so there are about 30, there's 60 unique designs of the florals. I've already kind of started using it, so there are some like loose pieces. I'm using it by hanging it on the wall, basically. And then I'll eventually use it. I'll eventually use it in my journal. So there's 60 unique designs. It goes 1 through 30, 1 through 31, so 62 unique designs. Twice. See, it goes on. So there's 62 different florals, and then after that, it goes from a cream colored paper to these different colored papers, and that's where the floral designs start to repeat. There's just a whole bunch of different colored papers, and like these are the ones I was using, so. And then it repeats twice. So there's a second. And then finally, some of these are so nice. The last thing is it repeats in vellum paper. Definitely the design is a bit lighter on these just because the nature of the vellum. But here's a loose one that I used. I will eventually be, or I ripped out, I will be eventually using these in my journal, I think. But they're also nice to like hang somewhere. And yeah, that's it basically. That's the last thing. And then I think it ends with 2 empty vellum papers. This typically comes in a white box. I bought it without a white box, so the price was cheaper. Okay, and the last thing I bought is this Freckles tea. I think it's called Flower Illustration. It's from their Volume 1 series, and basically this is 10 meters long, but one design, which is like one entire loop, before the design starts repeating, is 3 meters or 300 centimeters. So I bought this. Typically, if you've noticed, I don't even buy pet tape rolls because they can be expensive. I think this was $22. By the way, I bought this for $27. I bought this for, I think, $6 something. This might have been $8, and this was $20, and this is $22. Basically, this design repeats about 3 times. It's like 3.5 times, and so I thought it was very much worth it. This is the longest design I've ever seen on a like washi tape or on a pet tape without it repeating, so I was definitely very interested and surprised. Usually they do not, they are not that long, but this is literally like 3 meters long before it starts repeating. I have a white background here. So these are some very beautiful designs. And it kind of keeps on going. Okay, and this is over here is where the design starts to repeat. So, like I said, it's pretty long. So that's pretty much it from my for my Freckles tea haul. I'm definitely looking forward to them releasing more stuff into the future because it seems like I really like everything that they come out with.